Pakistan's government says there is no evidence that its citizens are being specifically targeted in the United Arab Emirates, even as reports of deportations continue to raise concerns about the wider fallout from regional tensions linked to Iran. Pakistan's Senate was informed on Thursday that nearly 3,500 Pakistanis were deported from the United Arab Emirates between January and April this year, as concerns continue to grow over reports of detentions, visa cancellations, and forced removals from the Gulf state. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Tariq Fazal Chaudhry told lawmakers that around 3,494 Pakistanis had been deported during the 4 month period. He said some were involved in criminal cases while others were removed under administrative actions taken by UAE authorities. The minister rejected suggestions that Pakistani nationals were being systematically targeted, describing such claims as malified propaganda. He also stressed that more than 2 million Pakistanis continue to live and work in the UAE, but the issue is becoming increasingly sensitive inside Pakistan. Opposition lawmakers in the Senate claimed many deported Pakistanis still have assets and money tied up in the Emirates, while others are allegedly being detained without clear explanations. Senator Raja Nasir Abbas said he had information suggesting thousands of Pakistanis may have been forcibly deported. The matter has now been referred to the Senate's Foreign Affairs Committee with calls for in-camera discussions because of the diplomatic sensitivity involved. The controversy comes against the backdrop of wider regional tensions linked to the Iran conflict. Pakistan has tried to position itself as a mediator in efforts to reduce tensions between Iran and the United States, but according to several analysts and reports, that balancing act may have complicated relations with some Gulf allies, particularly the UAE. Recent reporting by the New York Times has suggested that many deportees may be Pakistani Shia workers, although both Islamabad and Abu Dhabi have publicly denied any sectarian targeting. Multiple Pakistani workers interviewed by the Times described being detained suddenly, questioned by Emirati authorities, and later deported without formal explanations. Community leaders in Pakistan claim thousands of Shia families may have been affected since mid-April, although exact numbers remain difficult to independently verify. The UAE government has not publicly commented in detail on the allegations. However, diplomatic observers say tensions may be linked not only to sectarian sensitivities but also to broader geopolitical calculations during the Iran conflict. The UAE was directly targeted by Iranian missile and drone attacks earlier this year and reportedly expected stronger public support from regional partners against Iran. The timing is particularly important for Pakistan because the UAE remains one of the country's most critical economic partners. More than 2 million Pakistanis work in the Emirates and sent home over $8 billion in remittances last year, making the Gulf state a major source of foreign exchange for Pakistan's economy. Reports also emerged recently that the UAE recalled a multi-billion-dollar financial deposit from Pakistan during the broader regional tensions, although Saudi Arabia later stepped in with financial support. Analysts say the situation reflects how the Iran conflict is increasingly reshaping politics and alliances across the Gulf, with migrant workers often becoming vulnerable to the wider geopolitical fallout.